in a car accident. It's I don't know, it's still hard to talk about. Like you think, you know. So I think, you know, we're gonna, you know, come to the jams, you know, see him here. They'd always come through to our jams, and but we still dance, you know, and keep their spirit alive with us. So just have like a moment of silence. Sarah Ball and Peter Kim. Thank you.